If you're looking for a makeup that's not cakey or sticky and gives just the right coverage, then that is Saint makeup. Look at the difference and how natural it looks. This is my all over foundation that I'm applying first. And look at the difference. Now I'm gonna apply just a little bit of brightening right here and here, just to lighten up those areas. Look at that. And then just add a little bit of contour just to give that three-dimensional look. See that shadow there? Look at the difference and just blend it up. And if you want a little bit of warmth to your face, just add some bronzer just on the outer corner there. I mean, how amazing is that? And you want a little bit of cheek color? You can add that too. Just the right amount of coverage, and it's so natural and flawless looking. That's Saint makeup.